Welcome back. The issue on the medium of instruction in assembly has created ripples across the state. The citizens and activists are alert. The Committee for Action on Medium of Primary Education in Goa is informed to support communication or the continuation of Konkani as the medium of instruction. The committee will serve a memorandum to the government on the issue.
MS Kamath, convener of this committee supporting Konkani as the medium of instruction in private primary high schools, said that government should consider this issue seriously and decide after deep deliberations.
तर आमचो आग्रह असो आसतलो की 8 तारखेक ह्या विशयाचेर सरकारान निवेदन करचेलें. कित्याक हो विशय इतलो गंभीर आसा, हाजी रिपरकशन्स आनी इम्प्लिकेशन्स इतली फार रिचींग आसात की सरकारान हाजेर खोलायेन विचार करचो. ह्या सगळ्या कडेन सरकारान साधक बाधक चर्चा करची आनी खोलायेन चर्चा करची, विस्तृत चर्चा करची आनी मागीरूच निर्णय घेवचो. परंतु आमी सरकाराक आग्रहान सांगतले की न्हय आजूच फुडाराक सुद्दां सरकारान इंग्लीश मिडियमाच्या प्रायवेट प्रायमरी स्कुलांक अनुदान दिवचें, प्रोत्साहन दिवचें, सपोर्ट दिवचें.
Medium of instruction issue has started creating ripples in the parents' fraternity across the state. The issue surfaced in the assembly session last week. Few days back, PTA of St. Mary High School at Varga held a meeting to oppose Konkani as the medium of instruction.
If you all have any concern for the betterment of our children, then English should be the given language in every school.
Konkani is one language and the medium of instruction of English.
From the next academic year, the government should continue giving aid to those schools who wish to shift to English as medium of instruction.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with a reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
St. Xavier's College at Mapsa had organized a 2-day short film festival. IRIS 2011 gives a platform for the youngsters to exhibit their talent. 12 documentaries were showcased at the festival by 5 different colleges in the state.
IRIS 2011 had all the more 12 documentaries with 10 music videos, 4 animated films and 4 short films and 3 advertisements to make the festival grand. This festival encourages the budding young talent to showcase their talent.
This festival has in view to explore the possibility and expose the youngsters to the field of media.
Noted film director Rajendra Talak advised the student to concentrate on the subject for a best presentation.
What you need, the basic thing, is love towards the subject, what you are doing, then to execute with full dedication. Then success is definite. Don't look film as only a glamour part.
Professor Valros Fernandez said, this festival is to motivate and encourage the students for a better exposure to the field of media and entertainment.
IRIS is definitely opening up opportunities for young people to come and express themselves in their creativity as they want to see, the kind of films they would like to make. So I hope everyone's enjoying this, and next year we'll also come up with maybe a bigger and grander scale of IRIS as a film festival.
A reporter in Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
People are agitated in Salsette over mega constructions. People of Murida are opposing the construction coming up near a chapel in their area. On the other side, people of San Jose de Ariel are agitated against a mega construction. Watch this report.
Residents of Murida in Madgaon are agitated over the proposed commercial complex coming up in the area. They say that the area by the side of a chapel is used for different recreational activities by the locals. They posed an agitation outside the Madgaon municipality demanding revocation of the license to the construction.
I stay. That's जागा तेंकोन आमी तोय जागो साइडीन आतो जागो 20 वर्साले आम झगडटा मागपा आम काम घेता म्हूण आनी आयज तुवें तो जाग घेवपा आमच्या गांवच्या भावान कोण घेतलो आनी तुवें कॉम्प्लेक्स वयर काडटा आनी आयज तो कॉम्प्लेक्स तो येयलो जाल्यार आमची ते एक्टिविटी चलता ते बंद जातली.
एक्चुअली जागो कोणाचो कितें म्हाका काय खबर ना, म्हजे कडेन म्हणल्यार फायली काय येना. इट इज अ टेक्निकल सो सिवोक म्हाका विचारपाक जाय, इंजिनियर कोणी आसतले आनी तांकां काय ताणें म्हाका रिटर्न काय दिवंक ना, फक्त तोंडान सांगलां कोण तरी करता. तर हांवें ताका सांगलां रिटर्न एक म्हाका हें दी तुमचें कितें आसा ग्रिवन्सीस पळय तें आनी ते हांव तुका हांगा सॉल्व करता कोणाकूय कितें जाता तशें समज कायद्यान जर बसता त्या प्रमाणे हांव करता.
On the other side, residents of San Jose de Ariel are opposing a project coming up in their locality. Omside developers are planning a construction with 180 flats and 4 bungalows in row.
180 flats आणि 4 बंगले तितून स्विमींग पूल आसलेलो. ह्याच कोण आम जोगण तेणी एक फ्लॅटाचो एक बिल्डिंगाचो फ्लोर पासून मायनस केलो. स्विमींग पूल नाक म्हणला आनी तेरे आसतना ती अंडर कमांड एरिया पडटा आनी तेणी अंडर कमांड एरिया एग्रीकल्चर लँड आसतना तितून एग्रीकल्चर लँडांत तेणी स्वेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट बसयलो आहा. आतां तो कितू फुलफील जातलो तो लोकांक कांय खबर ना.
Acting Sarpanch of San Jose de Ariel said that they will have another inspection with the TCP officials and verify the facts.
So commission देदल म्हटरी आमकां सरपंचाक सायन करपाकूच जाय कित्याक ते लेटर कमिशन दिवपाक अप्रूव दिवपाक जाय. सो ते आदी आमी इंस्पेक्शन थारायलें पंचायत बोर्ड इंस्पेक्शन करपाक तेंगे कितें कायदे चेंज जाले कितें आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन आसा ते आतां तेन्ना इंस्पेक्शन केलें ते आमकां कांय खबर ना ते कितें कितें चलना कितें चलना तें. सो पंचायत बोर्ड जाण जावपाक जाय आसलें कितें आहा तेंगेलें कितें करपाक जाय.
Our reporters in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt and Ramesh Naik Raut.
On Saturday night, many witnessed a full moon, but it was different being that it's so close to the earth in the past 2 decades. Friends of astronomy at this observatory in Panji had a special presentation to capture the event. Scientific community feels such a full moon does not affect the normal life on earth.
Moon was closest to the earth on Saturday in past 18 to 19 years. It was very bright on Saturday. Many saw this moon through a telescope and some even clicked photos of earth only through satellite. Friends of Astronomy in Panji organizes various events and shows during celestial events. Every day, observatory is open for the stargazers. But Saturday